Hey everybody, so we are finishing up the new fonts, and yesterday I added Gentillis to our list, and that was cool. And now I kind of have an example of how to add um, new fonts to our list because we have definitely created a winning path here, so that's cool. And basically, if we look in this part, this thing that shows the source control pending changes, we can see that basically we need to add a promise, and then we need to push it here, and we need to update the interface to add our new item. Um, we'll uh, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to commit this since I commit it per video. That's kind of a bummer that I do it that way because I think if I was working, if I was doing this for a job, I would have done all the work and it would all be in sort of its own commit. And then right now I'd be able, or, I wouldn't have committed any of it yet and all that. But I have also been pretty sloppy with my branches. Like this is still the animation timing branches. So it would have been nice to just be able to, like, if this had been in its own branch, to push that out to GitHub, and then we could just look at the differences there, and that would be cool. So I think I'm going to be trying to do that as soon as I finish um, this this font stuff. So basically, I want to add everything. So just git add dot, and then git commit dash m and video 164, and then dash adds Gentillis regular font. And so today we're going to add the um, let's see, can I Control Z? No, not yet. Unfortunately, no. Okay, so today we're going to add the Gentillis Bold. Um, so, oh, okay, I'm going to fix this spelling issue. This is something that used to be so much harder to do before Angular and TypeScript and all that, because now it just immediately finds the breakage when you change things, and it's so easy to fix instead of having to do like a search throughout the code. Um, but so this is going to be Gentillis Bold, and we'll look in our uh, public fonts, and it's this guy, and I'm just going to hit rename so I can do it. Control A so it selects everything, Control C to copy it, and over here I'm going to replace this guy with this guy, and then over here, since it's so close, I can just copy this. A lot of people, like at this point, like you could just fly through this, right? You don't have to spend a bunch of time um, like sort of looking at all this stuff and all that. But this really is the time to just stop and smell the roses. Um, what is it going to look like? What do all these things look like? It's just time. It's just there's a time to just sort of build your domain knowledge, to understand different, like this is literally going to be probably the only time that we ever have to just slowly look at all these different fonts and understand them. So I am not going to miss out on that. So this is Gentillis. It's regular. And it is a text. And it has a height of 0.1. And it is a Gentillis. And Gentillis. So Gentillis, and then I guess I should put regular. Regular. to the, cancel. I have no idea. Hit Control S and that did that. So I'm going to close that up and I'm going to move it to the left 4. Yeah, that's pretty good. Let's see, let's try 5. 4.5. Yeah, I like that. And I'm going to move that up 1. And then we'll do the Gentillis Bold. And I don't know, it's probably going to need to go a little bit farther because it's probably be a little bigger. It's going to be -1. And it's text. 0.1 height. And it is, so it's currently Hal Vitaker. I'm going to change it to Gentillis Bold. I think that looks really cool. And then Gentilis Bold. And then, yeah, so actually it is bigger, but it didn't need to go as far because Bold isn't as big. So I'm going to make this 4.1. Yeah, that looks nice. And then I guess I should change them into a more 3D friendly material. So that's Gentillis Bold. And this one is, let's come over here. And Gentillis Regular, we're going to make that a normal. And there we go. And that was easy peasy. You know, some days are hard, some days are easy. Should be a pretty short video, I hope. Yes, 6 minutes, 55 seconds. It's not too bad. And that is that. The Gentillis definitely has some, it provides a lot of space, like in the E, in the A, you see a lot of space there. But I guess for fun, we could just do a quick switch and switch this guy to Helvetica. So you notice there's not nearly as much space in the E. The A has a good amount of space. You know, but I do like the Gentillis better. Yeah, there's so much more space on the A. I just think that it just lends itself to 3D a lot better. And I think it's really cool. Happy coding, everybody. Bye.